Hello friends, welcome to IAS Kannada Vahini for the IAS 2020 preliminary question. We are continuing with the history question, that is on medieval India question, medieval Indian history. Which one of the following statements about the Adi Granth Sahib is not correct? So the question is about the medieval period's religious movement, bhakti or religious movement. So four answers. It was compiled in the first decade of the 17th century. Second, it contains the verses of Kabir. Third, it contains the verses generally from the saints of the Saguna Bhakti. D, it contains the sayings of Baba Farid. So, before coming to the answer, I will explain the background of this Adi Granth Sahib. It is the holy book of the Sikhism or Sikhs throughout India and also for the throughout world. The founder of the Sikhism is Guru Nanak between 1469 to 1538 AD. He was a Nirguna Bhakti saint and also social reformer. Moreover, he was a first Guru, Sikh Guru and founder of the Sikhism. Founder of the Sikhism also first Guru. Then, what about this? You can say like kind of Nirguna and Saguna. Nirguna means the God without form. Saguna means God is having some kind of form. So Hinduism is a Saguna, whereas Sikhism, Islam, all are like Nirguna. God doesn't have form. So that is the difference between Nirguna and Saguna sect. Then this Adi Granth Sahib also contains the verses of Kabir, a most radical disciple of Ramananda, one of the most respected Bhakti saint during the 15th and 16th century, who opposed the caste, creed, image worship, unnecessary rituals, etc. And also he worked for Hindu-Muslim unity, and also he worked for the removal of the distinction between Hindus and Muslims. So definitely the Adi Granth Sahib contains the verses of Kabir, and also that is fourth one, it contains the sayings of the Baba Farid. Baba Farid is one of the Sufi saint, and also his 15 Bhagats included in the Adi Granth Sahib. He was born in Multan in Pakistan, the present Pakistan, and also some of the major preachings of the Baba Farid are be humble, have a faith and prayer, and service to the fellow man. These are the major, you can say, like tenets of the Baba Farid. So Adi Granth Sahib contains this kind of, the sayings of the Baba Farid also. Whereas the C1, it contains the verses generally from the saints of the Saguna Bhakti, is wrong. Adi Granth Sahib and Sikhism, already I mentioned or I explained that it is a Nirguna sect. So definitely it will not contain the Saguna Bhakti or the sayings of the Saguna Bhakti saints. Therefore, C is the answer for this question. A, B and D are correct, whereas C is wrong.